Health services for teachers and pupils are being brought right to school gates through the Yaman ng Kalusugan or Yakap Caravan, a part of PhilHealth's expanded Consulta program designed to look after the school community's well-being as the bedrock of quality education. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. and Education Secretary Sonny Angara personally visited Minuya Elementary School in Bulacan, speaking with teachers and school staff to show support that goes beyond work and performance, extending to health and welfare. The beneficiaries include the school's teachers and 3,085 pupils at Minuya Elementary School. The Yakap Caravan provides services such as blood sugar checks, vital signs monitoring, and diagnostic tests, including X-rays. PhilHealth members may also be entitled to up to 20,000 pesos worth of medicines each year, subject to eligibility and the relevant availment requirements. According to Secretary Angara, among children, eyesight problems are a common concern and can directly affect reading, whilst among teachers, high blood pressure is often an issue.
Kung tinanong nga ni Presidente kanina yung isang teacher na nakaupo at kumukuha ng gamot, anong sakit niya? Sabi, high blood. O, pareho tayo, sabi ni Presidente.
When a child struggles to read because of poor eyesight, it becomes harder for them to keep up in class and learn properly. For teachers, meanwhile, long hours and heavy workloads often mean health checks get pushed back. Hence, services delivered directly at school make a big difference. And for Joanne Agustin, mother of a student at Minuya, she expressed great appreciation and thanks to the government and President Marcos Jr. for a program that was not available when her first child was younger. She said she has saved more than 8,000 pesos even just on the consultation alone.
Sa ngayon sa private, nasa 500, ganyan. Tapos sa pedya naman po, 700. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako nagkaroon po ng gantong event para sa mga bata dito sa school. Sobrang laki po ng save po.
Joanne also pointed out how helpful it is that X-ray results come through quickly. In less than 10 minutes after her child's X-ray, the image was already available and could be read by a radiologist so the doctor could make a diagnosis thanks to the digital X-ray system.
Malaking tulong ito dahil yung iba talagang hindi sila matuto na maigi kasi yun, hindi sila makabasa. Yung ibang teachers natin, masakit ang ulo, masakit ang pakiramdam. So, malaking bagay itong, wala nang oras rin pag makapag-check up. So, malaking bagay itong Health Yakap program.
The government aims to ensure the school community is healthier and better prepared for teaching and learning. Because when teachers and pupils' health is properly looked after, education is strengthened. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.